going on? It's your boy Kartoon Review. We review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're going to be discussing the Pixel 3a XL versus the OnePlus 7 Pro. Which one should you get? We're going to be talking about it a little bit. So the OnePlus 7 Pro just came out a day ago. Well, they announced it a day ago, and we got the Pixel 3a XL. To be honest with you, let's go down the spec. Let's see which one is good. Which one I'm using this article from Android Central. I'm gonna leave a link below, so if you want to look into it more, then I will. But basically, to be honest with you, the pros that they say of the Pixel is outstanding camera, great value, headphone jack, all day battery life, 3 year of software update. For the OnePlus is class leading hardware, smooth as silk, 90 hertz display, a clear UI with meaningful customization, gorgeous design with matte finish, and 30-watt charge. The cons for both: mid-range chipset, large bezel, plastic chassis. For the Pro, cons is subpar battery, average camera, no headphone jack, limited carrier availability. Oh man, I keep stumbling. Heavy. Just with that alone, it depends on you. If you're gonna be a person that wants top tech, top like everything, it's gonna be the OnePlus. But if you're a person that just go through Instagram, you just use the your phone for Twitter, texting, sometimes making a phone call, my opinion is the Pixel. Why is that? Because of the battery. I've seen a lot of reviews, and if you're a heavy user, the Pro is gonna last you like 7 to 8 hours, and if you have the 90 hertz, it's gonna be even less. With the Pixel, you have better battery. You can last all day, and you have reliability there. With the Pro, I'm not concerned the first year. It's after that, because the more you charge your phone, the less battery cycle you have on your battery, and I think that's gonna be the major hit on the OnePlus. That you're gonna have to replace your battery like in a year and a half. And I just don't see it. And the Pixel camera is insane. It's crazy. It's one of the top. Even though this is the lower range, if you get the Pixel 3 XL, then you have more features than the third. But if you are a casual user, I'm talking about Instagram, Twitter, and taking pictures, my best bet is taking the Pixel. The OnePlus camera, for that price, is trash. I say it. It's trash. Yeah, you got the whole full screen, but what is the point of having a full screen if your battery's gonna be dying quickly and the picture's gonna be doodle? I don't see the point of anybody getting the Pixel. I mean the OnePlus 7 Pro for that. I might as well just buy two Pixels. Buy one for yourself and give one away, because that's what you're basically doing with the OnePlus. And then the battery, I thought they would have hit with a 4500 milliamp battery. They hit them with a 4000. So I don't have no wireless charging, which it might sound like nothing, but when you're already it's 650. But most people are not gonna get the basic. They're gonna go for the 12, the 10 or the 12, if I'm not mistaken, one of those two. So I don't see the justification between these two phones. You getting the OnePlus 7 Pro. I just don't see it. If I was you, you get the Pixel. The Pixel it looks nice. It really does. Yeah, the Pro looks even better, but the Pixel it's a good phone, man. Good phone. Well, that's my opinion. Let me know what you think of my opinion in the comment below. If I'm right or wrong, how you feel about these two phones. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Hit a like button. That means a lot. I'm gonna leave a donation link below. You could donate to me so I could grow my channel, have better tech, so I could show you and review. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.